Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm at Scrapbook.com to show you the exclusive Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cutting bundle. This bundle comes with a die cutting machine, it comes with an embossing plate and an embossing mat, it comes with 2 clear cutting plates, and the platform you need to create your sandwiches. This bundle also includes the amazing tool-in-one that is so helpful on so many different types of projects. And this exclusive bundle comes with the nested jumbo tags, which is a 14-piece set. The set is so fun, and we're going to use it to make a really cute, really fun gift tag for a present. So for this project, we're going to use 3 different dies. We're going to use 2 different size tags, and then we're going to use the eyelet to create a hole for our tag. So let's go ahead and open up our die cut machine. And we're going to start by creating our sandwich. First is the platform, which has the instructions on how to create your sandwich. So first we're going to need the cutting plate and then our piece of paper. I'm going to use this really pretty paper for our larger tag. We'll line it up right here. Then we're going to finish off our sandwich with the second cutting plate. And then we're going to feed this through the machine. So we're going to add the eyelet to this tag. I forgot to do it when I was first going through, but it's okay to go back and add it in afterward. So we're just going to line in this little notch. We're going to line up the 2 die cuts to fit together. So we're going to run it through again to get that eyelet hole in there. So now we have our tag that has a small hole in it where we can tie our string. So we're going to do the same thing to the next smallest tag using a different color paper. And we're going to create our sandwich again. So we have our platform and a cutting mat, then our paper. I'm going to add the tag with the little eyelet piece included. So now we have our tag with our other hole cut in it. And this is a great example of how to use the tool-in-one. The paper got stuck in the die, so it's great just to poke it through to get that piece of paper out. So now we're going to assemble our gift tag. So now that we have our dies ready to go, we're going to add our embellishments. To help make these a little bit stronger on the ribbon that we're going to tie them on, I'm just going to add some eyelets using an eyelet punch. And now we can start adding our embellishments. So I'm going to add these using the tiny attacher. Doesn't really matter where you place these, just somewhere around the tag. They're really fun ways to just add some details and some texture. I always like adding things with the tiny attacher. It's so easy, and I like the little extra details it gives the projects. So on the top one, I'm going to add a Thicker's letter. I'm going to add the letter K at the bottom here. And now I'm going to add a couple drops of these to look like little enamel dots. So next, I really like this lace ribbon, but it's too thick to fit through the eyelet holes. So I have this other piece of string I'm going to put the project on, and then we'll tie it onto the ribbon. So now we have our finished gift tag. I love working on these projects. They're so fun, and they're so easy to switch up the type of gift tag you're making. They can be used for holidays, or you can even use photos so people know who the gift is for. This die set comes with so many pieces that you can really make any project. It's so fun to work with and so easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!